In this video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot a Facebook login problem if you're unable to access your account. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and try logging in with your email address or phone number and password. If the login fails, double-check that you entered the correct information and try again. If you still can't log in, tap the Forgot Password option on the login screen. Enter the email address or phone number connected to your account and follow the steps to reset your password using the verification code sent to you. If the problem continues, check your internet connection and make sure your phone is connected to a stable network. You can also close the app and open it again, or check the App Store to make sure the Facebook app is updated to the latest version. Another helpful step is clearing the app cache from your phone settings, which can fix temporary issues with the app. After trying these steps, open the app again and attempt to log in. These simple checks usually solve most login problems. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.